Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review video on some gel polishes. Now you already saw me with this shirt and with this makeup because I did upload a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys missed it, you can go ahead and check out the video right here or right there. The link is going to be there. Today's review is going to be on some gel polishes. I'm really excited about this. I love doing reviews for gel polishes, and I also like to try some different gel polishes colors on my hands sometimes. I'm very picky with colors, but I like to experiment and somewhat try something new. These gel polishes are from Rosalind, and I'm really excited to show you guys the colors that they have sent me. Before I go ahead and do that, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't already, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. It would really mean a lot to me as well, and I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. If you'd like to discover some new gel polishes, please keep on watching. So I got contacted by James, and they were super nice enough to go ahead and send me some colors to try. They did send me at first a kit to try with so many colors, but I am very picky with nail polish colors. I don't really wear much funky colors on my hands. I prefer more pastel colors, any kind of pastel, lavender, baby pink, peach, baby yellow, or canary yellow. You know, all of those pastel shades, these are my favorites to put on my nails, especially around spring, summertime, and also white. And when it comes to the winter time now, I'm mainly more always in black, burgundies, red, dark gray. I really want to experiment into like an army green color and see how that's gonna look like. I also like really deep maroon purple colors. So these are basically my colors that I always wear. I don't really wear anything neon or anything like blue vibrant or any vibrant color. I just feel like it doesn't suit me. I already did a video. It was called DIY Gel Polishes at Home, and I featured a lot of the Madame Glam. If you guys did miss that video, I will leave it at the end of the video. You can go ahead and check it out if you want to, but I did go ahead and talk a little bit more about gel polishes and how they work and all of that. So all that information is going to be in that video. I will go over kind of like a recap in this video, but it's pretty simple. It's very easy. You just need a UV light. Before I go ahead and show you guys the color, they were also super nice enough to provide you guys with a discount code, which is a 15% discount code, and the discount is Rosalind 15 off. I really hope I'm spelling it right, but I will leave it anyways in the description box down below. You can use this discount code at the checkout and you can save a little bit of money. We all love that, don't we? So let me go ahead and show you guys the colors that they have sent me. Obviously I ended up choosing the colors that I wanted, and they were super nice enough to let me choose what I wanted, and I'm really happy with everything that I have chose, to be honest. So I went ahead and I chose, first of all, packaging wise, it looks so cute. I love how simple it is, and you also have kind of like a keyhole that you can see the color through here, which is really cool. So I have the black and the white, and I am wearing the black on my hands right now. I didn't get the chance to kind of refresh my nails. I was super busy this week, but I can tell you this has been on my hand for 2 weeks now, and look at it. It didn't move, it didn't even chip, and honestly, like, my nails have never been that long before. They always broke, they always chip. Honestly, like, I'm super grateful. I'm not sure because of the vitamins that I've been taking lately. I just feel like these kind of gel polishes helped with that. I don't know. Since I've been trying them, I feel like my nails have gotten stronger and stronger. I don't know if it's because of the gel polishes, but whatever it is, I'm happy with it. So obviously I went ahead and I chose the typical black and white. These are colors that I wear all the time, and honestly, like, I just wanted a refresher because I was running out of these colors anyway. No, they don't have names, they only have codes. The black one is PX001, the white one is PX002, but I will leave all the links of the colors down below for you guys if you're interested in the colors that I have. Next colors, I really wanted to dive into nudes, so I ended up choosing 3 nude colors: a light nude, a medium nude, and a dark nude color. I did film the application for each color, and I kind of like went ahead and I obviously added a little bedazzle, a little touch of myself on the nails. Some of them I just left solid, but some of them I added a little touch. And they also sent me a base coat and a top coat, which I will be talking about this. Honestly, I wasn't really a huge fan of this, if you ask me, and I will tell you why in this video. Even though they did send me these for free, doesn't mean like I have to give you guys my 100% positive review. No, if I don't like something, I'm gonna say I don't like it. And if I do like something, I will say that I did like it and I would recommend it. I did try this base coat on top coat 2 times. I believe I tried it with the black one and with the white one, as you guys could see here from the clip. So the base coat, I applied a super thin coat of that. Don't go super happy with the base coat, because if you do, then you're going to have lumps when you kind of add the color, and it's gonna look really bumpy and really ugly. So try your best to really apply the thinnest coat of base coat, cure your hand in the UV light, and then go ahead and apply your color. Now the first color that I tried here was the white color, and as you can see, the white color is really pretty. It's a nice opaque color. Most of the colors that I'll be showing you guys today, I applied 2 coats, which is the max, and I feel like with 2 coats the colors were kind of opaque, and I was really satisfied with the pigmentation. And this is the white one. I applied 2 coats of it, and just on its own, I'm obsessed with it. Even though it's so white, but it's not a streaky white. I hate seeing a streaky white or even like a milky white. So the fact that this is kind of opaque from like the first coat, I was quite impressed by it. The second coat just made it extremely perfect for me. And the top coat, I feel like the top coat has a beautiful shine to it. Just on its own, this stuff shines so much, and I absolutely love it. And this is kind of like a no wipe top coat, so you don't need to kind of wipe it with rubbing alcohol, but I still did, just because I'm kind of like used to it, because you have some top coats that leave kind of sticky residue. You need to wipe with alcohol to kind of remove that sticky residue, but this top coat does not have that, which I really like, which is kind of like a plus for me. But the only thing that I didn't like about this base coat on top coat, I just felt like the gel polish did not last on my nails. Like after 2 days, I will notice chipping, and then I would literally just peel the whole thing off, and the whole thing will come off, and I just really didn't like that. I'm somebody who just doesn't have patience to do her nails, and the fact that this happened 2 times using this base coat on top coat, I was kind of like turned off by it. But if you're someone who likes to change their nail polish every 2 days, then these are perfect for you. But I'm somebody who would like to have my gel polish last at least for a week. I normally change my gel polish every week because I like to have a fresh new color every week, but that is my personal preference. But I just didn't really like the base coat on top coat from Rosalind, so this is kind of like a wet for me. So I did use that for the black one and the white one. As you guys could see here, I added both clips because black and white, I didn't do anything special to it, and the black one, as you guys could see on my hands, it's one of my favorites. Moving forward with the other colors, I started using the base coat on top coat from Madame Glam. Next, nude color. This is the darker nude, and I have to say this is such a beautiful color. I love it. Again, I had to use 2 coats of theirs just to make it quite opaque. And with this dark nude, I feel like I just kind of missing a little something to it. So I went ahead and I added a couple of gem lines at the bottom of my nail, like just on the base, on the ring finger. I feel like it just added an extra little touch, an extra little sparkle, and I just feel like it really completed the nails for me. The process of the base coat on top coat is always the same. Thin coat of base coat, cure it, add the color, cure it, add another layer of the color, cure it, and then the top coat, and then cure it. My biggest tip for you guys though, if you want your gel polish to last a really long time, is to apply at least 2 coats of the top coat and cure that. Like cure the first coat and then add another layer once it's cured on top of it, and then cure that. I feel like the gel polishes last a whole lot longer. Next color, this color here is mainly more on kind of like a light nude color, and I really like it. This is more on the sheer side, I would say. 2 coats for me for this color was ideal, and I also kind of created a French tip, which I haven't done that in like the longest time, and I honestly really liked it. I feel like the French tip really adds more of the kind of like a feminine classy side. I did go ahead and use the Rosalie whites to create the French tip, and I did that with the actual main brush of the gel polish, and it worked very well. Last color here, this is a really nice color. It's a nude color on the pinky side. At first, when I applied this on my hand, I'm like, oh, I am not going to like this color, but honestly, I spoke too fast. I applied the first coat and then applied a second layer of this, and honestly, that's when I started falling in love with it. And that's when I decided, I'm like, you know what, I want to go ahead and create a glitter ombre tip. So that is exactly what I did. The glitter ombre is a different gel polish that is not from here, and it's actually like a no brand that I got off of Amazon, to be honest. So I don't know exactly which one it is. I'm so sorry, but it's a beautiful glitter polish. Also, Rosalind has a lot of glitter, so if you guys are interested into glitter gel polishes, check out Rosalind's website. They have a ton and I am super obsessed with them. I really want them all. James, please. And I feel like it created such a beautiful look, and I love this last set. I feel like it really gave like a nice feminine look, a little sparkle. Under the sun, my fingers sparkled so much and I love it. And thanks to the gel polish that I have applied as base under it. And this color is quite sheer, but it's also super beautiful just to wear on its own. Just to kind of say that you have a little something on your fingers, because it's so discreet, it's so feminine, it's so elegant. It's one of my favorite colors. I wish like I can get remarried again, and that set will be definitely my wedding set. That is it for the colors. This is a very quick and simple and easy video for you guys. Again, a quick tip: if you are using gel polishes and if you are using a UV lamp, make sure that your gel polishes is somewhat further away from the UV lamp, because you don't want them to cure. If you guys are wondering on how I remove gel polishes, you can just leave that in the comments down below, and I'll probably film another video showing you guys the process on removing gel polishes. I actually remove it quite easily. I did find a product that removes them quite fast and quite safely, because gel polishes sometimes could be a little bit of a hassle to remove it. But I did find an easy way, and I actually do prefer it a lot more. So if you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. I will be leaving all the social medias and the website for Rosalind down below. You can go ahead and check it out if you're interested. Don't forget to use the discount code to save some money. And if you guys like any colors, please let me know which ones you like, and if you want to recommend me a color, let me know. I'll go ahead and get it as well. I would love to know what is your favorite colors. And also, their website is so cool. They have literally everything that you want, from gel polishes, from nail polishes, from sets, from everything you want on their website. They have literally everything you need for nails. Go ahead and check it out. It's really cool, really fun to just shop around there and see all the colors that they offer. Check out their website, and happy shopping. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to wish you guys a wonderful day. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.